channel. It's your girl, A Miracle Queen, and I'm back with another hair review. This hair review is sponsored by BLY Hair, which you guys know I reviewed them before on my channel, so you should already know them. This is them right here on Instagram and all their socials. So today they sent me a 4x4 closure, deep wave, an 18-inch, period. So right here I'm going to go ahead and start setting my part. If originally I was going to do a middle part, but as you see at the end and in the middle of this video, I'm not going to keep it in that way. But we're going to go ahead and cut off the lace. Keep in mind this is a lace closure wig, 4x4 closure, deep wave, curly wig. So yeah, this is a closure. So we're going to go ahead and cut that lace off in like a zigzag motion. We're going to pull it back and we're going to put some Got2b gel and some Got2b freeze spray. I'm going to blow dry it and then we're going to stick that right on down. Now I'm going to take a elastic band and spray my hairline one more time, and we're going to tie it, the adjustable band, on the lace so we can get that visual lace melt. So we get that lace to melt, okay? And we're going to blow dry so the heat can melt the lace to your skin, all that good stuff. So this was after I got done blow drying the wig. Is still dry. I still haven't put product on it, and I haven't plucked this wig either yet, so I'm showing you guys how far the parting goes. This also came pre-plucked, so it is pre-plucked for you already. I'm showing you guys the part. I decided to do a side part because I never do side parts with my closure wigs, so I want to go ahead and try that. So right here I'm wetting the hair, and you can see how beautiful the hair is when you wet it. It's very cute. I love this curly texture. It's different. It's really different. I like that texture. But after that, I'm going to go ahead and put in some Lottie Body mousse so we can set the curls. You always need mousse for your curly hair, ladies, okay? You need it, okay? It's going to set your curls to make them stay in place and won't frizz up and keep the curls popping. Here I'm hot combing to set my part in place and where I want my hair to go. And at this moment I started to see like I need a pluck because I didn't really like how dense it was in front of my hairline. So after that, this is what I plucked. Yes, plucked lot. I already did my baby hairs and everything. Save y'all some times. Yeah, I'm go ahead, and this is what I pulled out from me plucking. Wasn't that much. Wasn't that bad. You see, it's like more like as my liking. So go ahead and wet your hair back because it got all frizzed out when you plucking and combing. Like I said, this is a 4x4 lace closure deep wave curly wig in 150 density. So yeah, it's very thick and like very luscious. So I wanted like a cute little flip, deep flips, and y'all know like my deep little flips gotta be flipped my face, something like that, like little swoop. So I did that. Now I wanted to cut some layers into the wig just so I can have like little something so every strand won't be so straight and structured straight down. So I had to make some type of layers, which I did. Also, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Hey dear loves, hope you like, subscribe, okay? Follow me on my socials. So I did my makeup and I came back. This was the finished looks, loves. I hope you like this look. The hair will be in the description below where you can purchase. And I love you guys. Follow BLY Hair Beauty on Instagram. And any questions, leave them down below. I love you, dear loves. Bye.